We're getting real with our girls.
So I gotta be pretty like raw and forward. So I did my goals right for this year, and all my goals for the business were mostly achieved, right? But then I noticed that my personal side, I was so focused on business that I lose sight of what I really want for my life, right? My personal life, like for example, I was like, I need to get a boyfriend, and I have a sticky sneaky note. I'm like, yeah, another 6 months gone. I need to get in the best shape of my life. Well, I just need to maintain the best shape of my life, or right? So time becomes very limited, and this is when you really need to start taking a step back and see what is important for me, right? What do I need to change in order to have the times and the things that I really want to do, right? Because yes, real estate business is thriving, but how is my personal life? How I'm prioritizing my time? So I lost a lot of time through this process, learning with different challenges I have. Second, I just took the lessons of it and say, okay, how can I do better next time so it doesn't eat my time and I can really balance what I really want in life.
Right.
Because one of the biggest challenges for me was to really step back and let people do what they do best, so I can go and get myself a boyfriend. I can go and self and do some workouts, so I can spend time with my family, with my friends, because suddenly I saw how it suffered. My friends start texting me, where are you? We haven't talked to you in a while. And I'm like, wait a minute. I'm doing real estate to have freedom, not to make real estate my boss, right? And
Oh,
that was for me. It's like, stop, boss, stop. I'm gonna fire you again if you do this to me, right? But I also need to do what I need to get done.
yeah.
So it
I
impacts my
think I just got to say, I think that's brilliant. I mean, because I think there are a lot of us who got into real estate for financial freedom. And, I have to say I did the same thing and I'm a little obsessed with it.
okay. That's a good thing. I will confess too.
It's part of my family.
Well, it is. I have to tell you this. All of these time, I'm like, yeah, I don't have addictions. And then looking for it, I'm like, well, let me rethink this again, because real estate can be fun, can be highly profitable, can be amazing if you really shape it that way. And if you start
And
establishing
addictive. Can we add addictive?
addicted to, I will
What am
admit
I going
that.
to do this weekend? I think I'll hang out with Zillow and Redfin.
Well, or I'm going on vacation. Ooh, can we stop in a realtor's office and figure out the market? I did that. I did that. And it's like, oh my God. And it's like,
Stop. Stop.
it's like, no, no, go have fun.
Where does the boyfriend fit in?
It's like, well, he comes to the vacations with me. So it's
Um,
just been an interesting journey.